Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And you can also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And this is coming from my good friends over at Ecolor. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we are, guys. Ecolor Smart LED Strip Light. Share the pleasure of smart lighting. It's a pretty nice house. Got a nice pool. Ecolor. Remote control. DIY. App control. All the good stuff. Not sure if this is waterproof. Well, it's probably mostly made for indoors. 16 million colors. Adjust brightness. Take a look inside. And like I said, if you like this item right now, add it to your cart. Check out. And they'll ship this to you fast. Here we go. Got Ecolor. Right there. Got the manual. So you have to download the Ecolor app in your iOS or Android. You get 2 of these. The spools. Oh baby. Here's a power adapter. Here is the controller. And don't forget to remove that. Here we go. And then now we will set this thing up. Not sure, I'm going to figure out where I'm going to stick this. But that'll be coming up at the end of this video. We'll just do the brief hookup like this for now, and then put you guys on pause, and then I'll set it up and add it to this video. So just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. Shouldn't be that long of a video today. So oh yeah, this long cord, really nice. I might start doing my sealant, so who knows. But got this. Oh man. There we go. Okay, that's nice and long. Should be nice and bright. Plugged in. Here we go. It's RGB life, guys. So you can control it from that also. Power, different modes. And ooh. Oops. A little squeaky. Let me turn this light off. Yeah, that looks good. I mean, it's dark now, so should be alright to see. Oh yeah. These are nice and bright. I like this. Purple looks good. And then you could do the music mode. Like gaming, movies, or just music. Either or for parties. That is a nice color. I like these. Look at that though. Really nice. Let's see, brightness. And like I said, there's an app. We'll take a look in a few minutes at the app.
Something I found on the web.
Oops.
According to fandom.com.
Alexa, cancel. Sorry about that. But there we go. Got the colors. You can do auto. And these are really nice though. And you could cut them too. I haven't really did any cutting. I'm just afraid to, so But if you're good at it, I would suggest do it. Or if you want to try it, watch other videos on how they splice it, cut it. But I'm not too sure on how to do it, so I'm just going to leave it as one strip. Or just connect these two together. But yeah, no cutting here in this video. But let's see what else. Here's different modes. We got blinky time. Yeah, that's cool. But you'll see where I'm going to have it set up. So, but like I said, no cutting. It's just going to be the strip. And then the app. Ooh. Yeah, these are nice and nicely made. That's it for that mode. Different modes. Turn it off. Oh, that's music. That's cool. And see, it goes with the sound. So if you're watching movies or gaming during your Twitch, this would be a nice one to get. Ecolor. Like I said, my affiliate link will be down below. And you can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out now, and they'll ship this to you. So coming up, you guys will see this thing in action. So it'll definitely probably be in my room somewhere. I mean, I might have enough to do half of the ceiling, so we'll see. Look at that. 16 million colors. And I will show the app too. I just gotta grab my other phone. It's still charging. It's in the other room, so look at that though. Alright, pause and grab your popcorn. And it might be about a 10-minute video, so we'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it on the click Ecolor app. All you gotta do is hit the top button. It says add the plus sign right here usually. And it's gonna pop up there. And it's gonna call it what you want to name it. RGB strip. STRIP. Finished. And now it's gonna boom. And then it's kind of hard to do. Flash. Candlelight. That's pretty cool. Working. Automatic. Gamer. Reading. Breathing. Dating. And romantic. Colors. You can just change. The scenes. Movie night. Working. Okay, we already did that. Colors. Presets. Choose your own color. So really cool. Everything works great. I got the shows that two of them are hooked up. And yeah, definitely check them out if you guys are in the market for. And there's the auto off and on. Off, on. So if you're in the market for new RGB strips, these are great ones to get. I'm not going to do the hookup because I mean I pretty much showed everything in this video. I just got to figure out where I'm going to do it. So that might take a couple hours, and I just want to throw this video up together and showed you the basic how it's set up. Really easy app to use. And that's about it though, guys. Be safe out there, and see you guys soon.